Welcome back to part 2, and now we're gonna show you how it looked, and this is the free version. So if you want to change this iStort image, you can do it by edit here, and you can edit the script, Draven, car, music. Can you remove it? You have to choose remove. I think remove or delete. Then the music is delete. But now we only try to section so
Craving something extraordinary? Cal's Workspace has just unleashed the ultimate hamburger experience. Juicy, savory, and oh so delicious, this masterpiece is stacked with our secret sauce and the freshest ingredients. Picture a perfectly grilled patty, crispy lettuce, and a burst of flavor in every bite. It's not just a burger, it's an adventure for your taste buds. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into Cal's latest creation and taste the magic today. Only at Cal's Workspace.
Then this is coming. Then you can delete it in your edit also. So this were very great according to me. I did not do any experiment. So there you have it, how you can do this easy with Invideo AI. And always I'll leave a link to this software in the description. Bye.